Hi, so today I'm going to show you an appointment system. It has been with React and Node. So it has two parts. The first part is appointment system controller, where we can view and manage all the data. And the second part is iframe appointment, where we can integrate an iframe into any website to allow user to book an appointment. So let's get started. So this is our appointment system dashboard, where you can see all the data displayed in charts using Chart.js. There are filters on There are filter options at the top. Now I'm showing you the filters to select the date. You can set it by date, location, and services. This is the icon for the users to book an appointment. As you can see, it is very smooth. We can select staff, services, then the dates and time of the staff. You can fill your information. User can fill your information here: name, nationality, mobile phone, location, and email. And at the end they can pay and print the invoice. So now I'm showing you the database where we can active and deactive the different appointments like location, staff, and services. If I refresh, you will see uh, the priorities are changed. Now you are selecting first the service, then staff, and then location. So we can switch it like on the different part, like first service staff or first staff and service and location, anything the company wants. We can also deactivate any of the components here if like if any hospital have only one location, so they can deactivate it. And this is the mobile view.